Hi friends, in this video I will be showing two methods. Method 1. First, make sure that both the TV and mobile phone both are connected to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So here I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named BSNL 1. Here in the left side you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network BSNL 1. After that, in TV, go to settings, then select device preferences, then select chromecast built-in, then select let others control your cast media. So here we need to select always. In some TV we don't get this option. In that TV by default chromecast will be enabled, so we don't need to enable it again. But in this TV we need to enable chromecast by selecting always like this. After that, in mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install this Google Home app. I already installed it. Let me open it. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect cast devices in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it has detected my TV. This is the name of the TV which I am using. Tap on this TV name. Then tap on cast my screen. Then tap on cast screen. Then tap on start now. See, it's working. If you want to switch display to full screen while watching videos, we can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen in TV and mobile phone. If you want to disconnect, again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So this is a method 1. So let me go to method 2. Open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then tap on connection and sharing, then tap on wireless display. So this also search and detect cast devices in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it has detected my TV. Tap on this TV name, then tap on start now. See, it's working. So this is a method 2. In this method I am not using Google Home app. If you want to disconnect, again go to settings, connection and sharing, wireless display, then tap on connected TV name, then tap on disconnect. Done. So these are the two methods, so please try it.